Today I am going to make Rohu fish curry recipe in Indian style. This recipe got 9 million plus views on our Hindi channel. Link is given in the description of the video. So must watch this video and try this yummy and delicious recipe. Hello friends, welcome back to Yummy India's Kitchen English. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notifications of upcoming recipes. Here I have taken 800 gram of fresh rohu fish. Wash and clean the fish. Now we'll marinate. First we'll add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, half teaspoon of whole spices powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of curd, yogurt or dahi. Now mix everything well. Let the masala coated the fish very well. Now put the lid and keep it in refrigerator for half an hour. Now take one small grinder. In this we'll add 4 tablespoons of garlic, 1 inch ginger, 1 dry red chili, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Put the lid and grind it. Now in this we'll add 1 small sliced onion, 1 small sliced tomato. Make a smooth paste. Now fish masala is ready. Put the lid and keep it aside. After half an hour, take out the fish. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix very well. Coat the fish with corn flour. It will help to make it crunchy while frying. Now we'll shallow fry the fish. Heat non-stick pan on high flame. Let the pan get hot. Once it hot, we'll add 2 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil or any cooking oil. Spread the oil in the pan. When oil is hot, now we'll fry the fish till crusty on both the sides for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't stir the fish. Let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes. In between you can shake the pan. Flip carefully, otherwise the crust will come out. So you have to flip the fish after 2 to 3 minutes. And now again we'll cook for 2 to 3 minutes and let it cook from both the sides. Here you can see the fish is crunchy. Fry until golden brown from both the sides. After 2 to 3 minutes, take the fish out. So remove the fish from the pan. Similarly, fry the remaining fish till crusty from both the sides. Now turn the flame from high to medium. Add 1 bay leaf. We will use the remaining oil for making fish curry. 1 pinch of cumin seeds, 1 pinch of mustard seeds and 1 pinch of fenugreek seeds. Fry for 30 to 40 seconds. Now add fish masala. Mix very well with the oil. Cook on medium heat. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of whole spices powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix well and cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame or the oil gets separated from the masala. Stir in between to avoid burning. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Mixture is smelling nice. Now we'll add 2.5 cup of water. Bring it to a boil on high flame. Add water as per the consistency you want. Boil it for another 2 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Now drop the fried fish and mix it gently. If you want thick gravy, you can add less water, and if you want to eat with rice, you have to add more water. Don't stir the fish with spatula, just shake the pan. Let it cook on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Now the fish curry is ready. Turn off the flame. Relish this fish curry with fulka or chapati. If you like this recipe, then please hit the like button. Share this recipe with your friends and family and post your thought about this recipe in comment section.